Welcome to this informative video on how the MiniMed 780G pump works. Today we'll explore its various features, including the pump's components, battery replacement, unlocking process, and the screens and menu options you'll encounter. 1. Parts and buttons on the pump. Let's start by familiarizing ourselves with the parts and buttons on the pump. The front of the pump boasts a color screen that you can control using the buttons located below it. At the top right, you'll find the power button, while the back button sits at the top left. The center button, featuring a small circle, acts as the select or OK button, and the surrounding arrows allow for easy navigation through the menu. The MiniMed 780G pump operates on a single AA battery, housed in the right side battery compartment. On the left side, you'll notice the insulin reservoir, which connects to your body through a tube and infusion set. The backside of the pump displays the serial number, and there's also a space available for attaching a pump clip. 2. Battery replacement. To ensure proper functioning, it's recommended to replace the AA battery every 1 to 2 weeks. Alkaline batteries work perfectly well. To replace the battery, simply twist open the battery cap using a penny or the pump belt clip. When inserting the new battery, ensure that the battery cover slot remains horizontal. Consider replacing the battery cap once a year to maintain its waterproof seal, especially when entering frequently in wet conditions. 3. Unlocking the pump. Now let's move on to unlocking the pump. Pressing any button will power on the pump and bring you to the home screen. 4. Home screen and pump menu. On the home screen, you'll see the most recent glucose reading in the center, along with icons indicating the battery, reservoir, and sensor connection status. The active insulin amount is displayed at the bottom. By selecting the right arrow, you can access your time in range. This is the time that your blood sugar is between 70 and 180 mg per deciliter, or 3.9 and 10 millimoles per liter. Further details can be accessed by using the down arrow button. Please note that the time in range mentioned only covers the last 24 hours. Unfortunately, at the moment, the MiniMed pump does not provide the average time in range for longer periods, such as weeks. When SmartGuard is activated, a blue shield icon appears on the home screen. If your sensor is paired, pressing the sensor graph button will take you to the sensor graph display. By pressing the arrow at the top, you can extend the time frame to view more hours. Here you can also observe the insulin delivery performed by the SmartGuard algorithm. The purple bars represent basal insulin microboluses, and the blue bars signify autocorrection boluses, which will be covered in detail later in this module. By pressing the select button, you'll be directed to the menu screen. From here, you can access various options, including history and graph, SmartGuard, sound and vibration, blood glucose, insulin, reservoir and set, status, paired devices and settings. Take some time to explore the internal menu of the MiniMed 780G pump so you can become familiar with the different functions. The pump operates somewhat similarly to a mobile phone and intuitively guides you through its features. 5 do's and don'ts. Before we conclude, let's go over a few do's and don'ts. We strongly recommend downloading the menu overview for convenient access. This resource will greatly enhance your troubleshooting skills, especially when assisting someone remotely. Below this video, you will be able to download this MiniMed 780G pump overview and this simplified menu map. The pump is waterproof for up to 24 hours, with a maximum depth of 3.6 meters or 11.8 feet. Ensure the battery cap is horizontally aligned to prevent cracking. Over-tightening the cap can lead to cracks. The MiniMed 780G pump is susceptible to cracking, especially around the pump clip area. Periodically check the back of the pump for any cracks. If you spot a crack, the pump will still function, but will no longer be waterproof. Contact Medtronic for a replacement pump in such cases. The pump comes with a complimentary pump clip that can be easily attached. To remove it, press on the sides at the top. Additionally, consider using silicone sleeves or other protective measures for the pump. Medtronic provides plenty compatible carrying solutions, and various other companies offer alternative options. The MiniMed 780G pump does not automatically adjust the time and date. So when changing between winter and summertime, or when traveling to a different time zone, you have to adjust the time yourself. You can do that via the settings menu. And there you have it. You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to operate the MiniMed 780G pump and replace its battery. In our next video, we'll delve into the process of configuring insulin delivery.